Hello everyone, lovers of freedom and Biafrans at large. This is Pasidonas TV, bringing to you exposition number 6 on Simon Ekpa. Today is Monday, 27th of September 2021. Why am I saying the date? So that you will know when each exposition is made concerning Simon Ekpa. Like I said, this is exposition number 6. We already have other expositions. We are making it in series because the issue of Simon Ekpa is really much. We have so many things to say. We have so many things to expose. So many things to talk. They are numerous. And that is why we are making it in series. So if you've not watched or listened to our previous exposition on Simon Ekpa, please do well to check them and listen and watch the exposition so that you will understand what is happening. Because some persons, they just follow the crowd. They don't even know what is happening. You see them, they come out and say, why are you attacking Simon Ekpa? Why are you people gossiping? Why is this? Why is that? Mind you, nobody is gossiping and nobody is attacking nobody. We are only doing the things that we are supposed to do. That is doing things right. Please, like I said, if you've not listened or watched other expositions, go back and check our expositions. You can check our exposition on YouTube with the name Pasidonas TV, or you can as well check it on Facebook here, Pasidonas TV. Simon Ekpa is self-acclaimed Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's disciple, in case if you don't know him. And I believe each and every one of us know who is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But for clearance purposes, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the leader of Biafra. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the leader of entire Biafra worldwide. Tested and trusted. There is no other person. And right now, as I'm talking to you guys, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is in the zoo DSS dungeon. And somebody somewhere in the Finland is claiming that he is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's disciple. I wonder how you be someone's disciple, but you will not follow the person's steps closely. Well, that one is aside. So if this is the first time you are coming across our video or our audio, you may be asking or wondering why this series of exposition on Simon Ekpa. Well, I'm going to brief you. We are doing this exposition for record and future purposes, for clarification, so that people will come back and make reference to this video. People will say, yes, there was somebody somewhere talking about Simon Ekpa, making an exposition about Simon Ekpa. Yes, the person was right. Because some persons now are saying, but Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said that we should listen to him. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said this. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said that. Simon is doing a great job. Why all this gossip? Nobody is gossiping. Nobody. We are only trying to set the record straight. We are only trying to make people understand what is happening presently and if something is not being done and how it will spoil so many things in this struggle. Yes. I believe that some people think that Simon Ekpa is still doing things right. That Simon Ekpa is actually Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's disciple. That he knows what he's doing, that he should be commended, especially the gullible ones. Because you can't tell me there is no reasonable person who is an IPOP member or even a Biafran who is following everything that is happening will not understand that Simon is no longer on the track. Yes, that is the fact. He is no longer on the track. Is one of the reasons why we are making exposition so that some persons will come back to their sense and understand. Some will say, leave him now. Yeah, do your own now. Talk now. We want Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to come out now. Why are you talking about Simon Ekpa? Why making exposition? Is this thing that you're doing now, is it really necessary? Yes, my brother, my sister, it is necessary. Because if we don't do it, it's spoiling a lot of things. But thanks to Chukwu Okike Abiama. Really thanks to him. Because I'm happy that today, some are retracing their steps. Some are coming back to their senses. Because just like probably 3 weeks ago or 1 month, if you just talk about Simon Ekpa or you want to say anything that Simon Ekpa is not doing things right, you will see people will start attacking you, people will start cursing you, calling somebody names, only in the defense of Simon Ekpa. Well, guys, I wouldn't want to continue talking much, trying to let people see the reasons why these expositions are being made. I wouldn't want to dwell much on that. The truth is that we must set the record straight. That is it. So I don't want to talk much on why this exposition should continue and why people should see reasons to understand, to open their eyes and do the needful. Like I said, there are so many things to talk about Simon Ekpa. Simon, in Igbo, we can call him Nkemerejoyi or Chiho Anozo. Because the more you continue to say, okay, I want to talk about these things that Simon did, or I want to, dwell on this topic, before you know it, Simon will be bringing more. He'll be doing more and more. Today's exposition, being the 6th exposition, will be about Simon going to meet or communicate with the president of Finland concerning Biafra issue or not. And also Simon coming out to call out Mazi Onyemaechi illiterate. Well, Simon posted something on his wall, being 24th of December, about meeting the president of Finland, which I would like to read. It reads, breaking. On this day, 24th September 2021, I have submitted official communication on Biafra to the president of Finland with over 70 pages of analysis. I was accompanied by one of our brothers, Mr. Chika Mado. The genocide against Biafra and Christians in Nigeria has only one solution. The solution is disintegration. There is only one solution to the terrorism in Nigeria and in Sahel region. The solution is disintegration. It is therefore very imperative for every peace-loving president anywhere in the world to be part of disintegrating Nigeria for lasting peace in Africa and beyond. I am Simon Ekpa, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's disciple on Biafra restoration. This was the post that Simon Ekpa made on the 24th of September, that he has submitted official communication on Biafra to the president of Finland. Guys, can you understand that? To the president of Finland. Not that he submitted something to the office of the president, no. But to the president of the Finland. What is he trying to insinuate? What is he trying to explain? What is he making his audience or his followers to think or to understand? That he has gone to submit a letter to the president as if the president was there to receive that letter. Now, Mazi Onyemaechi came out and was like, no be like that though. Say, waiting Simon Ekpa the talk, no right. Say no, they right. Because that 24th, said the president of Finland, there for UN summit in America. Say, waiting make Simon Ekpa, come they deceive people, come they tell them, say, don't go meet president. When he never meets president, say, which kind of thing be like this now? Say, no do and well. Now Simon Ekpa come out, begin the holla, begin the ginger. Even before that, Onyemaechi made a video. Simon Ekpa made a video before Onyemaechi come out to debunk that. Simon Ekpa made a video, say that illiteracy is a bad thing, that this, that. that he said he went there and they communicated to the president. They communicate. You know what communication means? Communication involves the two parties. For instance, now, maybe probably I'm on live, I'm communicating with you and you will be responding to me. That is communication, what it entails. Simon said they've communicated to the president of Finland. He has never said this in that he has submitted something to the office of the president of Finland, and when the president is back, he did not even specify it. He did not even let his audience or his followers to know that the president is not on his seat as he stands. Say the man the US. No. Simon no talking like that. So in con the presenter like say, in go see the man. And anybody who read this post, now waiting that person go understand. So I don't know, I don't understand what it makes Simon Ekpa begin the come out. They call out to Onyema Echioba, they insult him. In fact, make I read what he talk about Onyema Echioba. So he came out on 25th. As in don't do the video finish, yo. When he talk say some people, they ask him whether the president, you know, there for UN. But he's saying go meet. I say no. Waiting the talk be say he has gone there. They have communicated with him. Blah 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 blah. As people don't begin the talk, say no be like that. And I say the president know that run. So when he do that video, that night finish. The next day will be 25th. See what's in income write or what's in income post on a wall. Make I read. Join me and laugh with emoji of laugh. This is serious. Illiteracy is a disease. How many of you remember when we used to say this in those days? I can finally say that it is really a disease. I can't stop laughing when an illiterate passes information to another illiterate to make video about over 70 pages of communication on Biafra to the president of Finland yesterday. The illiterate just rushed social media to make mockery of himself and other illiterates who cannot read nor write, and after brilliant Biafra schooled them, they pretend like nothing happened. This struggle for Biafra is something else. I am rolling on the floor, laughing very loud. Simon Ekpa. This thing be said, this is now where Simon Ekpa write full everywhere, and I carry emoji of laugh full everywhere. You know, Simon they quick, they call person illiterate. I don't know I don't know how brilliant Simon be rich, I don't know how intelligent the guy be rich. Anybody na so Simon go to call other people illiterate. Person where they call person illiterate now. If you want call archive now, you know what is Simon they call him? Archive. Archive in my archive. Now Simon now where they call person illiterate, I don't see where exposure reach and where Sabi book reach. Even the video now, it don't reach 2 years now where it don't they broadcast on Facebook, but it still never master everything. Now so Simon go one post a video. Not be say at the not be say the mokamo. Now so one Simon go one show video for him in program or in broadcast. What we hear? Okay, all right, just a minute, a moment, just wait, yeah, wait a moment, yeah, a minute. Now see you gonna talk. They talk. Now see you gonna talk. Wait for a moment, a minute. I think they talk that in time gonna pass. No be say in the package itself well. Not be say in the range itself well. Before you want to do broadcast, everything go there arrange, everything go just organize. Go bring everything where one use show people. Baby will not. I never see person will come out con the mock or con the cause some con the tell and say, Simon now why every day are the same now? You never improve. You supposed to improve by now. Just a minute, just wait. Okay, I'm coming. I never see person come out, come begin to tell him those things. Simon, if you want to pronounce something, I say you go to talk in here. Nobody could don't come out, come begin the cause and come tell him no be say, no be like that. See where that thing be. I don't know the book where in learn, the book where in Sabi. Everybody go turn to illiterate to Simon. But so then I say call the person, whether na the national coordinator for Finland. when call illiterate. I don't know. Say the person don't know how to read and write. The moment when they bring out, when they talk, say Simon Ekpa no be IPOB member. The only thing where Simon sabi, when he go talk, when he go use in his defense, now to come out and talk, say the person will sign that thing. Say no book, say no, he don't know how to read and write. Now the person where they carry give something, make him the sign. Say no, waiting in the sign. As in, like, Okobo Nyowa, make him be saying don't talk. Eh? Now, wow. Well, waiting there be say, at least if you know why I see where Simon talk. In talk and say, in don't communicate to the president. So, I don't know what thing will make Simon, make him not play this mind game. If you want to talk something, what thing not go make and talk and direct, say, today I don't write letter, carry this letter, go to the office of the president. Even as it stands, the president is not around. He is in the UN in America. He is in the UN summit in America. But definitely, when the president come back, he will look into it. You know, even talk something like that. They come the package and they present them. Now for these some gullible people, oh. I want to take the reason self. Eh? And make I ask you, now what make Simon every time he run up and down to defend himself? Anything, whenever somebody talk something where Simon do, Simon gonna run up and down. He go want defend himself. He go want prove himself. Eh? Well, I not blame Simon because Simon don't talk. Even when people tell and say he too talk, he too they give attention to everything where people talk about. I mean say yes, saying go do him. Say because he no be Mazin Nnamdi, he will never be. I can't say okay, kudos, because you are not Mazin Nnamdi and you can never be the same like him or the same with him. Even as in they make that video, I think on 24th night, when in they do video, when people don't begin to ask and say, but the president no there, now say the president there for UN. When in come the person come tell and say Simon, say make him mind in business, make him leave IPOB, make him know they use IPOB name, make him know they talk about IPOB. Say anything when they do, make it they do them on his own. Una know what Simon tell the guy? Simon tell the guy that he is an autonomous. That he is an autonomous, that he's only reporting to Mazin Nnamdi. Hey. Guys, make una they see you. Make una they see. This is Simon, where always they do gara. When you tell and say maybe IPOB member, you're gonna say the IPOB coordinator, say if you person where they say crazy in pass them, say no sabi anything, this, that, say be IPOB member. Una don't hear for a life before anybody will be IPOB member where the autonomous. Simon say him be autonomous, send the report to only Mazin Nnamdi Kanu. At the ask, I think the report to only Mazin Nnamdi Kanu. How they take the report? I'm through Mazi Ejiofor or Ejimako. Who they send reports? Who they bring reports back to them? Eh? Guys, not be today. We know this is so. Now see the gullible ones where Simon Ekpa just they deceive. Okay. If he say him be autonomous, now me say in the independent now, he's an independent freedom fighter. That is what that means. And that he's not under IPOB. But why is he using IPOB name? Every time he's claiming that he's reporting to Mazin Nnamdi Kanu directly, that he has something that Mazin Nnamdi Kanu asked him to do. Who na they deceive self? Who Simon Ekpa they deceive? Now person we won't make Simon Ekpa deceive and more. No people like me na tete. Why don't you follow this guy? I tell you, why I don't know the kind of person where Simon Ekpa be. Even that I said, Mazin Nnamdi Kanu never even there for the DSS dungeon. Like I they tell on Simon just the unnecessary smart. Like, now they go level. I don't know. Sometimes I don't wonder how people they go school, they pass, they come out. When we say person no feel reason, like this brain where God gives person, make person use and reason, know what's in there happen. Make person just add 1 and 2. Make person know what's in there, what's in the sub. I can't they wonder. For that the same broadcast, that broadcast, Nabila sent for 20 minutes. Because I watched the broadcast, laugh no agree me. When in do on 24th night, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, in con the talk say the thing when they do now, say don't stop this social media awareness. That what is doing now, as in social media awareness regarding the Biafra, say don't stop him. That what he's doing now, that he's working on the ground, because he has a lot of things that he's doing. things that he's doing is more than social media broadcast. When I know what makes someone they talk that thing. He get one guy wake up as Omote Biafra Efe. The guy whether na video where Efe do about Simon Ekpa, I don't know how many days ago, but I watched that broadcast finish. Whether na 2-3 days where I watch a laugh, no agree me. The guy can't talk, say, waiting they happen. Say make everybody go bring phone. Begin the broadcast on Facebook. So at least that broadcast, say we they do them. Say we go use and get Biafra. Because the guy can't talk, say waiting the worry Simon Ekpa, saying all these broadcasts where they do every time. All this exposition, waiting no saying they do, or waiting no saying they talk. We must not they can never talk before. So if I say to they make video on Facebook, they talk. If not so Biafra go come, say make everybody go gather phones. Make all of us enter Facebook. Cause they do broadcast. At least from there Biafra go come. Say what's in be all this rubbish. So maybe someone never don't hear all these things. Come no say people eyes now don't they open. Now people come they ask now. Say what's in be every time. Say someone never they do broadcast. Every time someone never they do broadcast. When that broadcast when they do, they talk say in they do exposition. Why not go bring Biafra for us? So as smart person now wey him be, in don't rush now. Go to talk say don't pass that stage now. Say the thing when they do now, say underground work. I know one laugh a big. So as much as you may make that video talk finish, say me Simon Ekpa no dey lie. Say president of Finland no dey for Finland. Say in comot since he go for this UN summit where they for America. Say me Simon no dey deceive our people. Simon Ekpa to prove say the thing when talk say in the right. Say no nyemechi be literate. Say no waiting. Say no if you understand the write up or the post we make. Una no say in take Simon Ekpa 9 posts to try to prove to people that he's right, that he's capable of seeing the president, that he has been to their parliament, blah, 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 blah. Simon Ekpa contact say, or some people say he won't use Biafra again popularity, say like before now, like try to show saying don't they popular before now, or for in Finland, say they know him. This Finland, where they talk, where 3 million, where the population of Finland, this Finland, if you say the whole entire people waiting for Finland, no rich waiting for where it's time. Or maybe let's just say people waiting for where. People just there for where. Now the number of this country where Simon Ekpa no go carry person. Hear something. So now Simon Ekpa no go allow person make person drink water, keep cup. You want tell people, you want tell everybody saying don't they popular. Say in don't they don't show them for their whether the newspaper for Finland. Can they bring us so many posts? In fact, make I read some of the things when talk. So the first post when make he say when they tell you Simon Ekpa is looking for popularity, tell them that this is the former Finnish Minister of Finance, whether 33rd President, Deputy Prime Minister of Finland, and current chairman of National Coalition Party in Finland. His name is Petteri Orpo. You can Google him if you want. Now ask the other Osonin Kompu, how far? What you don't know is bigger than you. The next thing he is bragging, hold on. I'm coming to brag after displaying what I want to display. Well, make I just know can they read all the things, then where Simon Ekpa writes. He go post person picture. You go put in picture with that person. You go talk the position where that person get for Finland. Simon don't they popular, they don't popular. At least in Ngozi Nietzsche, we don't they hear about them. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala. People like that, we don't they hear about them before now. So if say Simon Ekpa really did that relevant, in the important, waiting make we where be Biafrans or even people where they for zoo. Never hear about them. Even the whether they run, when saying run, when I don't hear anything, we don't hear of Choma Jongwa and people where they do sports. Whether I don't they pass, whether not for anyhow, when I hear Ekpa talk of Simon, say him be an athlete, saying they do this and they do that. No being carry picture, can't show people. When they for this thing, they run alone, nobody even there for the stadium. So no one begin they go there. So he won't show everything. when they do. So the other one when bring, whether about 6 or 5 pictures when bring from newspaper, when come they show people, like to prove to people say they don't know about Trump for Finland before now. So they even the one when use pan snap. And you get something very surprising. One of the pictures then when post around 2016, you will see him that 2016 Simon Ekpa was proudly Nigerian. Now the flag full everywhere, Nigerian flag. Even 2017, Simon Ekpa was proudly Nigerian. 2018, Simon Ekpa was proudly Nigerian. Even as of 2019, partly still they talk about Nigeria before he begin talk saying they talk about Biafra issue. In fact, if I do this guy, they just they laugh. So that one no do. You come bring another third post when he come right. When they tell you Simon Ekpa is looking for popularity, tell them anyone looking for popularity will not lead a delegation to parliament to meet a senate leader and discuss better policy for immigrants. My dear, this thing will be say, una know things there for Nigeria, no be things there abroad. All these things will be say where they require protocol for Nigeria. You know, reach like that. Any country where you go now, will be say if you be tourist now, if you go for the president's house and like they get White House, they get Aso Rock, you go there, pass, enter, snap pictures. Sometimes you go there, sometimes the president go to pass. The only thing be say, you know, go begin to shake the president. But the only thing be say, that presidential, this thing, you know, even, now nothing to enter there. If it's the people where carry on a go there, tour guide where carry on a go, if na send something where them properly arrange or organize, if you na still want to see some important people there, una go see them, discuss with them. So no be big deal. Make Simon Ekpa no come here, come they deceive the gullible, come they tell them say, if they tell you that this, that, I'm not looking for popularity, that you cannot lead a delegation to parliament to meet a senate leader and discuss better policy for immigrants. And that thing is a big deal to Simon Ekpa. Now, wow. As in post this thing finish, come post the picture of some people. Where the people were all of them where they are now, it be like all of them in Africa. Not only white man, why they see here, all of them in Africa. So another way go bring this picture, can they talk waiting in the talk. Why not understand that guy? So that one no do, I may come bring another one. Come talk say when they tell you Simon Ekpa is looking for popularity, tell them that we didn't join Biafra for popularity, but because of what we have to offer. Simon, waiting me that way you want offer, bring and come, Biafra need them. Offer and make Biafra come now tomorrow. Offer that way, as in that way you want offer and so that Mazina can then go release them. So sometimes this guy just they talk and I go to laugh. Waiting make me the laugh because me I understand his tricks. I understand. Waiting Simon they do be say even though one make people they go label they know the truth. If in go label don't begin the reason like they reset their brain, they try to understand say this is how they do things right. Simon Ekpa go to do things, make them know. Believe the truth. When they see the fall and sheepishly, like the things they when they talk, as if the things they when they talk not true. But I'm telling you that I'm happy today because a lot of people will be say when you call Simon Ekpa, they go they holler you, they do this, they shout. Why Simon Ekpa? Why you do this? Why you talk this? All of them now, most of them now don't they come back to their senses. They don't they know say Simon Ekpa, you know they do things right. Simon Ekpa talk say na him be autonomous. So then talk saving daily then where they expect from IPOP. Don't see where they expect from IPOP. That nobody will stop him from working with them. So what are just the reason I'm now? And some people will not even understand, say that guy is not working for IPOP. That guy do not have the interest of Biafrans at heart. He has ulterior motive. He knows what he's looking for. And some people are never clear to understand what thing they happen. So no one begin to bring out all the talk or they read all the posts where in post. After Onyemechi, no only one thing where Onyemechi talk. Say what he make and they deceive people. Say the president of Finland no day there. Because Simon no open my tell to say the president of Finland there for UN Summit for America. No. He tell them say to the letter where if like see no say the guy they too they like edit. When he go right, he go come out edit. But at the talk the one now where they find war. Say they have submit official communication to the president, not even to the office of the president, as if say them go there submit and give and the president receive them. Who they deceive self? And even say that they've communicated to the president, Which communication? What you tell president? What in president say you? Now that place when they for UN summit. Now that place where you are and they communicate. I don't understand though. So if Mazi Onyemaechi Obago come out to tell people say you are not doing things right, now you don't begin to call a illiterate. We don't see you now intelligent. We don't see you, Mr. Sabi Book, Mr. Noah, Solomon. Now you sabi everything. Simon Nawa, if you know book, a problem for day. This small one, this integrate one where you just know. This hard to read and write where you know. Now you don't use and they cost everybody be literate for your eyes. So Onyemaechi come make video on 26th. Come the talk say that letter where him write. Say whether the president of whether the name of the president dead there. Say why you come the cancel things. Or things no. Whether in the talk through. Say whether they write letter at all. Nice time when Ekpa to come out. Come they show. You say you write for president. The one where input here, the thing when write to the president, his name there here. What he make and come they cancel some things now. If I keep as in don't bring everything for social media. If I they leave everything open, make we know whether as he write this name of the president, whether not the address of the president when write. What he make and come the cancel. So Onyemaechi still there right, and me I see the talk am too. Waiting make and come the cancel. Waiting with this where they cancel. Where now make people see. If you know he on their difference, say if he come out, you know make people see address that one day difference. But waiting go make and come the president. Everybody no. Everybody where they for Finland, where they know how to address the president, or if you want mail letter reach the president, you don't know what you go do. Waiting be this in West Simon Ekpa right when they cancel, where no one make people see. And as in compose this, and I want to see waiting in right. In right, tell the illiterate that the name of president, you know even put the, back I put the forum. The name of the president is here. Those compromise and these secure buffoons. I told you I will be your last bus stop in IPOB. Instead and join their exposition. Hey, I don't see something. I don't see something. I better just read small comments. I'm gonna laugh small. One person tell him, Izuchukwu George, you may tell him, say, the price for traitors are dead, Oga. You are shamelessly confused and still running your mouth. You are not an IPOB as they are illiterate. But you have heard of grassroots. That's what IPOB has been built upon. 2019, you are still defending Ike Ekweremadu in Germany. Get a sense as you have exposed the universal punishment for an attended failed coup by hanging, Oga. Another person in name Emmanuel Anthony can write, arrogant man destroying what Nnamdi Kanu labored to build, thereby deceiving millions because they believe since Mazi Nnamdi Kanu called him, he is real. People change. That is what our IPOB youth don't know. Some of them don't reason well. Of course, they don't reason well. Another person can tell and say, Felix Water, please, Oga Simon Ekpa, use this opportunity and form your own group of Biafra struggle and leave IPOB for hardcore, the oath takers, because you've gotten so much disciples from the Golebos. Oh man, this one, this one catch me, no be small. Bishop Omema writes, Brother Simon Ekpa, you are destroying the holy movement with treacherous movement until you apologize to Biafrans by deceiving us last year that Enter Biafra Channel 1 app is UN platform to determine our referendum. I will never believe you are genuine. God bless Mazi Edoziem, a calm and strategic leader that speaks when duty calls. Guys, now this Enter Biafra channel, well, I know the two follow Simon Sha, because even as of last, even period to now, even early this year, I try to see make I follow in broadcast, but the truth be say, me personally, if I listen to Simon Ekpa, I know they get that vibe. They be say, I don't understand in way of presentation, no. But I no fancy him. As in, I know watch. I feel watch some, but I know if you take the whole of my time, they watch what Simon Ekpa they talk. saying they do exposition number 1, exposition. Wait a minute. All right. Just for a moment. I'm not getting to the world that kind of thing, I beg. Another person says, Simon Ekpa, I'm disappointed. This person show as Jack. Simon Ekpa, I'm disappointed on you because you allow those women in America who control their husband to use you. So you think you can destroy what Mazi Nnamdi Kanu built for many years. You must be joking. I strongly believe Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will come out soon. Well, guys, people don't talk so many things about Simon Ekpa, but why no one begin they read? You get where they talk in favor of Ram. You get where they talk say you know do well. Now be the thing. Before I go even forget, these Eagle prophets come out to when they say anybody where they attack Nelly, they attack Madam Oyibo, they attack Simon Ekpa, or they attack him. Say that person will get kidney failure. Say they don't declare that thing in Jesus. When I don't see and a person will call himself pastor because people call you fake. Tell them say they don't do well. So you don't declare kidney failure. Now waiting Bible tell them if person no agree with you talk, a person can't call you fake, or person can't attack you, make you give that person kidney failure. I beg I know one love. You see where they are be say Mona shine on her eyes, on they hear Mona shine on her eyes. Simon. How many times why I call you like God? When God they call again. Simon. I don't know whether time see they make you come retrace your step. I don't know. I know go talk waiting. I don't know. I don't know whether time see they or time no day for you. But the thing be say that's unnecessary smartness where they do. You know go help you because the more you try to prove yourself, the more you are implicating yourself. That's just the fact. And the more that people are coming out now to come and stand in defense of IPOB leadership. So those gullible ones where you get maybe gradually their sense going to come. They open small. They could understand what's in the play out. But you think say all these things now where they happen, say they touch you. Say go on your own, they touch you. Somebody they touch you. The only thing we say, they try to cover up on social media. You think say yesterday we be Mazi Nnamdi Kanu be then until they jump up and down, they dance. You see say as you dance reach. Now you go make one or 2 days ago because at least now we don't enter money. So you think say that they dance up and down. The type will say you don't dance up to 1 hour to celebrate Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. You think you can change anything? You know go change anything. Only those ones where they deceive. Now those ones where go believe. So all this is where they do like na camouflage. Na camouflage. You know people like me. Where this exposition will continue. As long as Simon Ekpa continue to misbehave, this exposition will continue until he go come out, come talk, say you don't, they use IPOB name again, they use Mazi Nnamdi Kanu name again. Come back IPOB, come day on his own, day in day, make he leave Biafrans alone. Now that's the way this exposition go stop. But as Simon Ekpa never do one, this exposition will continue. Guys, thank you so much for listening. Remember, we're on Facebook and we're on YouTube. Follow the exposition we've made so far concerning Simon Ekpa. And see you soon on our next video. Bye.